Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my new background. I don't know if this is exactly how I'm going to frame my videos from now on, but I made myself a plant wall. So it is right there behind me, and I thought that this was perfect because today's video is going to be looking into the spring FabFitFun box, which is really exciting because I've never had a FabFitFun box before. This is my first. I feel like I've been wanting one forever, and I've just been looking at unboxings, and I just never did it because, you know, it's money and I was trying to save, but I feel like now it was the time, and I am excited to open this up. So let's just jump right in because I feel like I get rambly a lot in these videos, and as per usual, you hear any marching around, that is the corg or the cat or any one of my farm animals that walk around my plate. So let's just dive in. Oh my God, so many goodies. This is so exciting. So this box retails, I believe, for $49.99. I will find you the official price that it retails for is right here, but I think you do get 10 bucks off your first box. If you're from Canada, obviously that's a US dollars, so that's always fun, you know, that conversion rate. And then it comes with a little magazine. Every box like kind of donates money to a certain foundation. So for this one, which is a funny coincidence because I love Ian Somerhalder. I watched Vampire Diaries as a younger girl. So it's the ISF Foundation. So you have like a little like briefing on that. Look at, there's Ian with a dog. What a perfect human. Him and his wife, Nikki Reed. And then it explains everything that is in this box. But I just want to have the surprise, so I am not going to look through this. I will read it after. All right, let's jump into this. I'll be honest with you, I've seen some of these like spring box. I have like an idea of what's in here, but there is some factors, like some items you get to pick now. That's what's kind of led me to get my first box. Is before it was kind of all random. You get a bunch of random items, and then some things you use less. Since it's FabFitFun, you get some items for fitness, some that are more like beauty related, some that are more fashion related, and they're all themed depending on the seasons. You get 4 boxes every year on each season. So there's items now that you get to pick. So you get an email from FabFitFun telling you that you have to go on, and a few items you get to pick. So the first item that I actually did pick is this backpack. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a beige canvasy material. It's got the leather strap. I just love these little backpacks for like festival season or just in the summer when you just want to like throw everything in there and go by the beach, put your sunscreen. I mean, you know what to bring to a beach day, but I just feel like this is the perfect little backpack. I'm gonna try it on, Let's see, like this. Do we like? Obviously when it'll be filled with stuff, it'll look like much cuter. Okay, so this is the Deluxe Demi backpack, and it retails for $75. So just with that item, you've like, that's more than your whole entire box, plus the shipping. Like that's wild to me. And it was either this, or you could get a diffuser, or you could get the Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie robe, which is kind of, I regret, I kind of wanted the robe, but I wasn't sure. I wear robes all the time around the house, like that is my personal preference. But this backpack is super cute, retails for 75 bucks. Super nice. All right, what's next? Let's close this up so that I don't ruin anything. Or maybe I'll put it off to the side and not peek at it. Or maybe I'll peek at it, I don't know. All right, so another item that you got to pick, I picked the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. So this retails for $28. And actually, give me 1 second.
6.5 hours later.
I already own this. I've got 2. That's how much I've been loving this one. So when it gave me the option to get the same one, like I think I could have gotten a daily detox brush or a jump rope, and I just saw this one and I just knew that I would repurchase this anyways. So I was like, fuck it. So now I have 2. So I'm ready for this one to run out, and then I'll have my backup one. But this was one of the options as well. So you get to pick this one. I'm not gonna throw that because that'll really startle the pets. Please don't eat my face cleanser. And then another item that you got to pick from, which I was amazed by, was 2 pairs of Key sunglasses. If you've never heard of Key sunglasses, like I actually have, sorry, my pets are being rowdy. Hey, hey. I have like 3 pairs of Key sunglasses. Like I love them. They are my favorite. Like I own a pair of aviator Ray-Bans. They cost me like an arm and a leg, and I do like them, but they're so heavy on your face. And I get it that it's probably the materials, they're really high quality. But these Key sunglasses are like, they'll be big aviators and they'll be super light. So I think I have 3 pairs of them. I think one broke, but I bought 3 pairs of them. So when I saw these, you had choices of 2. I think you had the choice of the like cat eye ones or the black on black aviators, which you already know that's what I went for because I'm an aviator lover. And then you had like a picnic set, like so cute, utensils, or the vitamin C brightening sleeping mask by Kors. So I went with the sunnies because I actually don't have these in like a black on black style, and I feel like that's kind of a necessity because I wear a bunch of black all the time. So let's whip them out. They are the Vivian in Black Smoke. And they retail for $60. I know this because I bought 3 pairs, but it also says there. So backpack 75, Tula face mask 28, Key sunglasses 60 bucks. Like, this box is so worth it, you know? And it's always cute things. So these are it. Ooh. The tag, okay. These are so cute. I love these like oversized, like that oversized look of sunnies. So this is exactly up my alley. Oh, I'm loving these. They come with the little Key case that has like it does like protect them really well. Like I've used this a lot. So, 60 bucks. I'm also not gonna throw those. What is next? What is next? I believe this comes in every box, but it's like random, like you didn't know like what it was. And it is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I've actually never tried anything by Way. I've heard that the products are amazing, but it's just like a little pricey for hair care, and like, I don't buy a lot of hair care. Like I tend to just not do freaking anything to my hair. Like this is just like, I wash it and then like, I sometimes blow dry it for like 30 seconds just so that it doesn't fall flat on my head, and then I just let it air dry. Like that's literally my hair care routine. So to go spend $26 on a leave-in product, I like wasn't sure, but apparently Way products smell really good. Like smell really bougie. Yeah, it's like smells like perfumey, but like a good perfumey, you know? So I've heard great things about this. I'm excited to try it. Hopefully my hair care routine will be jumped up a notch. Oh yes, I'm so excited to try this. This is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. So this is an eye depuffing gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. And from what I saw from other reviews, I think this stuff is like salmon colored, which helps like eliminate like the darkness under your eyes, which like when you wake up, sometimes you just need that little like, you know? Pretend that you had a lot of sleep, even though you've been tossing and turning because your pets have been taking all the room in your bed. This is a good way to fake it. $42. This retails for $42. I'm gonna have some fancy under eyes after I put this on. My bags are gonna be designer because I got $42 freaking stuff on them. Yes. Ooh, yes, I believe this was another option. It was either this, a necklace, or a Swell water bottle. I mean, I have a million water bottles, so that is why I didn't pick the water bottle, but you know Swell. The bottle retails for like 30 bucks or something. No, okay, it's a sip by Swell, it's $19.99. And this is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Say that 6 times. I have my Laura Mercier translucent powder that I like swear by, so like this will have to be pretty darn good for me to switch. Oh my God, they don't want you to open it. Okay. Oh, but the packaging's cute. Look at it, it's got a little bow. Look at that. I'm a sucker for nice packaging. Oh, my goodness. So it's got this like clear, oh, that's you guys. Like this, and it's translucent, and they say it's extraordinary. Take a fluffy brush and lightly sweep the powder all over the face to set makeup. Thanks, FabFitFun. Thanks for the tips. So I will try this. I mean, I'm all for trying new things, so like, let's do it. I mean, is it gonna be the Laura Mercier one? I guess we'll find out. Ooh, Pharmacy. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Pharmacy skincare. but it's like pretty well renowned, but it's pretty pricey. This is the Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream with Echinacea Green Envy. I mean, this packaging and like the fact that it's like Echinacea Green Envy kind of matches this whole theme that I've got going on. Did you see? Matching. So dramatic. Always, 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 always. But yeah, this is, I actually don't wear eye cream yet. But I mean, I'm turning 26 next week. So it's probably time that I start like preventing, I don't know. I feel like eye cream is just something you need to start as soon as possible before signs of premature aging. I guess this is it, but eye creams are always so expensive. So like I've been like putting it off buying one because I'm just, since I don't have premature wrinkles yet, buying an eye cream that's like some of the good ones are like over $100. Oh, I'm sure they go up to more than that, but it's a little scary. And I don't know, I was like, I don't need it, I'll push it back, 26, but I feel like 26, that's the time you need to start. All right, I think there's only one more thing in here. Is this it? Ooh, rose gold. This is the Relax Medicaid Champagne Body Scrub. These all sound so fancy. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. So this is a champagne and charcoal scrub. And I mean, like the packaging is just so cute. I'll just like, even when it's done, I don't know, I'll find a place for it. Let's give it a sniff. This smells like candy. This will be so perfect for exfoliating before self-tanning. I use an exfoliator mitt, but it kind of hurts. And this stuff is just gonna feel so luxurious. I'm really excited to try this. All right, and then I see here, we have a HelloFresh $50 gift card. Don't look at my coupon code. It's mine, mine free food. But yeah, you get one of these in there. So total value of the box is $226 to $314, depending on what options you picked, which I believe I picked the most like expensive ones. So probably close to like probably $300 for $50. That is what I paid. Amazing. $314. So if ever you're hesitating, I feel like one of the main reasons I got this is also because I love trying new things, but I'm also like, don't like spending a lot of money on something I don't know I'm gonna love. You know, when you go to Sephora and you wanna try new skincare or you wanna try something else, it's hard to commit when you already have like things that you know and love and that you have to spend money on anyways. So like, I feel like this will just help me, these boxes, try new things, and it'll be just like Christmas once a season, you know, like opening that FabFitFun box. Look at this inside of this box with the palm trees. You know what these are. They're your favorite. With these cactus, succulents, whatever you want to call them. Look at it. It's so pretty. And the outside of the box actually has those too. Get my life together. Look, it's so cute. I love these boxes. So exciting. And yeah, it says it right here, like in support of Ian Somerhalder Foundation. You're helping the foundations. You're getting cute products that you've never tried before or that you have and you loved and you get for cheaper. And it's like a little gift every season. How amazing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this FabFitFun unboxing because I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you did like it and you want to see me open the next boxes, give me a thumbs up. And also, just if you like the video, just hit that thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe. You know the drill if you want to see more videos. That home tour that I promised you guys is coming. I'm just in the middle of finishing so many things. Like this was getting finished a few weekends ago. And then like the rest of this room around that you don't see is also like getting finished this weekend. My bedroom had a few things that are being put together. So I'm just really excited to show you a full tour when it's finished, because I feel like that's what's most fun, you know? Like instead of just like, as I'm pointing, like explaining the things. Anyways, I'm getting rambly, the usual. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.